Now you will be able to learn how to deposit and also to withdraw from what's it called, from your wallet address. Whether you are trying to do crypto trading, you can be able to withdraw from Binance, from Binance, and also using it through for this AI mining, which I'm going to show you guys. But there's an app and there's an app I'm going to recommend for you guys. Sometimes the Binance app, if you are that person that does Binance, you can also deposit on your Binance app. You don't have to use other app. But if you want to use other app, it is good. It is very nice. It is even the best way safe. So what you just have to do, I will not advise you to use Trust Wallet. There are my reasons for that. Going to Trust Wallet, use searching a Tether. Let me say you are looking for Tether now, and you type Tether, and you see all this nonsense coming up. Which one should I choose? Like, I'm confused. So Twitter is not trying to create their trust for their users. So like, because of this, I can't use this. So what I do, I recommend you go for Busha. There are others. We have Remitano. This is Remitano. We have Roku. This is Roku. And the one I use is Busha. I use Busha. So in other Busha, if you search for Tether, it's going to give you one Tether, not like the one of Trust Wallet. Can you see it? Just one Tether. That is very good. So if you want to get the app, you just go to Google Play Store. Yeah. Then install the app. You open it. So that is just, you can see it. You are moving already. So now, what you just have to do is just to create your account. Try to create your account. Do not forget your password, and also put an email you are using that is very active. Your email is very active. In case even you forget your password, they can send some code to you on your email. Then you can recover your account back. And also, after you've been able to create your account, you just come to here. Then click on level and limit. Then you upgrade it. Like now, I'll be able to upgrade my own to level 2 using my BVN. Yeah. Upgrade this one now. To upgrade it, I'll upgrade this one later. I think they are now offering me to upgrade it, because before I cannot do that. They are telling me that they can't. So you try to activate. If you want to activate your 2 factors, it is very easy. It is very, very easy. You just need to, if you want to activate your 2-factor verification, you just download authentication. This authenticator. You just need to download the app first, then go to Busha. Then if you want to activate it, click on this one, enable. Yeah, I don't want to disable. Should I just disable it? It's going to show you the way. Just once if you want to enable it, you just follow the process. Because once you click on authenticator, you click on it. You click on this one. Enter a setup key. Yeah, Busha is going to provide a key for you. You put it, and you put this account name as Busha. Then now click on add. Busha is going to give you a number, some number that you're going to put here. After you've been able to click on this, you are going to enable it from here. I don't want to disable, no, because I can't go on stressing myself like that. So after you've been able to do all this, then all you just have to do, come to your wallet here. Before you come to your wallet, now all you just have to do is just to come here, click on Naira, or you look for your currency. You click on search NGN. You click on this one, and what you just have to do, you're a Nigeria person, it's going to show to you any of your country. It's going to show to you any of your country. These are the transactions I've made so far. Bought BNB, Dogecoin, BUSD, Dogecoin, and so on. So, and now I want to add cash. Click on add cash. Recommended fast, easy, trustworthy, peer-to-peer cash deposit. I mean, this is one they recommended for people to use. So maybe I want to put 50k now, or let me say 5,000. Continue. We are trying to learn it right now. Just focus on this, how to go about it. Any amount you want to pay, maybe in USD. You want to pay in USD. Let me say you want to pay in 16 USD. How much is $1 today? $1 today is 850 from the market, general market. It's 13,600. That's what the amount you want to pay. Then you go back, you put 13.6, which is 16 USD. 13.6. You click on continue. So what you have to do is this. You click on this. You add your new payment account. You add your bank. Are you getting it? You add a bank. Add your bank transfer. You don't want to use your bank. If you have OPay, you can use OPay. Or if you have cheaper, you can use it cheaper. These are the 3 ones I know from me. I don't know this better and I beg. So I use bank. So I put my own bank. Maybe my bank is GT Bank. You can see it. Guaranteed. This one. Guaranteed Trust Bank. I chose this. Now put my account number. Already I have done that because it's showing you already. This is it. Continue. So this is now they are showing me 5 persons that are online right now that I can make payment to, because I'm going to send this 13.6 to them. So they are going to charge me $100 for each payment I'm going to make. So let me click on this one. So if I'm going to deposit 13.6 to this person, and what I'm to send, you don't have to send like 13.6. You send 13.7. Add the person charges on it. Then click on confirm. Confirm. So once you click on the confirm, it's processing already. So this is it. This is it. What you just have to do, this is it. No, they are giving you time left. If you see the time right now is 14 minutes 25 seconds. Time left. So you can also cancel it if you don't want to make payment again. And also, what you just have to do is to copy this. Don't cancel this. So if you are to make payment, don't cancel this. And once you copy this, you copy the account number, you are going to pay at PalmPay. Are you following? You are going to pay the person at PalmPay. So once you've been able to pay the person at PalmPay, then you come here, you now click on you've paid. You've paid. This one. Then you click on continue. But I don't want to click on continue because it's a warning they are giving to me, because I not make any payment. I'm saying I have paid. It's going to be a big problem. But as you just, once you click on paid, you click on these 3 and you click on continue. They are going to proceed you like the payment is going to be continue to load. Then what you do, if you have not been, don't cancel it after the person have accepted that you've been paid. There's going to be a mark that is done. So just message the person directly. Shut the person up. That's if you just make payment to his account. That is it. Or if you make payment and if you really make payment to that account number, your money is not gone. Don't be so. Don't be. You can see A111 is waiting for my payment already. It's online right now, so you don't have to be scared of anything. In case you are facing any difficulty, they can just contact support. Message them. I need help with the connect transaction with referee. This is it. Busha has already helped you to customize the message already. You don't have any issue at all. So that is out. Once you have made the payment, then we now go back. I like this Busha. Very, very okay. Now, where we want to pay money to is Theta. Theta. So, because AI money is using, dollar is going down now. AI money is using USD. Yeah. This 3 USD was the one I transferred from my AI money, because AI money did not want USD. I was so painful. It was so painful to me that I shouldn't have withdrawn yet, because that $1 is something. You can see $1 now today is 803, but I think dollar is now down. Yeah, minus 53. But I'm very sure it will still go up again. Okay, what we want to do now? So you go to your, now you want to deposit into AI mining. Is that not it? Let me say, and one thing is that if you have been able to deposit Naira now, this is what you have to do. Your money will reflect on this Naira. Then what you just have to do, you go to Theta, you go to sell. No, you go to buy. You go to buy. Now you have money here. Let me say, assuming that you have 13,000, 13,600 here already. That means 13,600. You can see it's 16. It's even the same thing. $1 is still 850. It's still 850. Forget that it is showing that minus. It's even more than 857. So 13,600 already in US is going to be at 16.31. But yeah, there's no balance. You can see it is 0.45. That's why it's saying exceeds balance. So what you just have to click on this thing, this arrow that comes down to USD. Click it and you click on buy USDT with NGN, because now it's showing this red exceed balance. That is why it's not showing up this one. So that's just how to go about that. Then after you've been able to do that, and maybe for example the USD I received from AI to this wallet address, I want to sell it. I'll just sell it to my Naira here. Yeah, let me click on 3. You can see it. So I'm going to receive 24. See, sell USDT for NGN. So you can see it's very easy, very, very easy. So now what we want to do is send. We want to send into our wallet address given to us by AI mining. So this is my AI mining. Okay, this is my AI mining. So what I just have to do is, let me say, deposits and put 16 USD. You can put any amount you want to put. Then confirm, and this is our wallet address. You copy this. Once you copy this, you come here. Before I told you guys, if you want to make your payment, make sure that the wallet address you want to copy this and you want to use to make payment, it's rhyme, or else your money is gone and it's gone forever. Note this thing here. Theta USDT TRC20 recommended. Are we following? USDT TRC20 recommended. Make sure that is TRC and you are under USDT. So confirm. Copied. So now we are already under USDT. Here is it. This is the Theta USDT. This is USDT. So USDT. Then all you have to do is to send. Then you are under USDT TRC20. That's what AI is also showing us. We have other ones. Don't go and pay to USDT ERC20. Your money is gone. Don't go and pay to USDT BSC. Your money is gone if you do that. So we choose USDT R20. Then you copy your wallet address here. And once you copy your wallet, you can see the person is already messaging me, disturbing me that make payment. I'm not making any payment. I'm just trying to. So you click on continue. And once you click on continue, you now put the USD you want to put. So that is just how it is. Then you now click on continue and confirm the payment. That is just how to deposit. And how to withdraw is this. This is how to withdraw. Let me say, for example, now this is our Theta. Now if you want to withdraw, you have to give them your own wallet address this time around, not AI wallet address. You have to click on deposits and make sure that you are under USDT TR20. You copy this one. Are you following? You copy this one. Then what you just have to do is just to go there, come here, go back here, go back here. Then you come to come to under my wallet address. You click on my wallet address. And after you click on your wallet address, click this. Then you enter your wallet address and enter your transaction password. And your transaction password is this. Already I've set my own transaction password. I have not set my own transaction password. It's going to be shown below or before change your login password. That transaction password is a 6-digit pin. 6-digit pin number, 6-digit pin that you are going to be using in order adding a wallet address. Because the reason why they did this because someone cannot just come to your dashboard and just add wallet address. You understand? It's going to be difficult for that person if the person does not know your transaction password. That's the reason why AI does this. Put this transaction password. It's because when it comes to wallet address, we talk about of security. And this one, I copied this one from Binance. And Binance, let us go to Binance. How you can be able to copy your wallet address. But Binance have not been having what is called Twitter all these days. I don't know the reason why. They've not been having Twitter all these days. Twitter, yes. They've not been having Twitter all these days. So, let me click on Twitter. Or let me click on USDT. You can see it. So, Twitter, I don't know what is wrong with Binance. They don't have Twitter on their listing again. So, that is just how to deposit in. Yeah. So, thank you and please subscribe to my channel. After you've been able to buy Miner One or you've now start registering under AI mining. And please, the link is going to be dropped under. Please, and use my link because once you use that, once you register under me, you are free to message me, ask questions. Thank you.